Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my tutorial video. Guys, in today's tutorial I would like to quickly share with you guys an awesome feature about Adobe Premiere Pro. Now sometimes what happens people in video editing is that you are handed a very big clip, like say 20 minutes or 1 hour, 2 hour clips, right? And that can be quite tough to actually do some editing on that clip when it is like a one straight whole clip. So in this feature guys, we can actually break down this one big clip. Actually I'm going to use this back down to movie to show you how it's done. You can see guys, we have a 1 hour and 39 minutes full movie. So this can be quite tough to edit. So what we're gonna do is guys, we're gonna double click to load this in to our timeline. And guys, just in case guys, I'm gonna create the composition also. I'm gonna take the movie clip, I'm gonna drop it down on this folded page kind of an icon. And you can see my composition is created, and I'm just gonna go and delete this movie from the composition because we don't need it right now. Now guys, when I am using this feature, okay, I really like to work with the list view of the project panel. You can see guys, the project panel right now appears to be like, as in, if I have these two clips right now or these two things right now in my project panel, I cannot see any other thing. For doing that, I need to scroll down. So for that guys, I like to switch to the list view in the project panel. And you can see guys, now I'm using the list view. You can take a look at the icon to distinguish that which one is what. You can take that this is a sequence and this is the video file. Now coming back to the feature guys, or the technique, guys, somewhere on the 45th minute I think, I just noted down that thing, I'm not so sure about it though. Okay, I'm wrong. Okay, yeah, here it is. And guys, take a look. Now he's showing them how to do the Google Plagata. And guys, I'm gonna select my source window or my source monitor. I'm gonna hit the tilde key. The tilde key, people, what it does, it maximizes the whole panel, okay, and it makes it take the whole window. That's, I think, is pretty awesome, because that way you can work a little bit more properly and efficiently, right? And the tilde key, people, the tilde key is the key which is below the escape key, okay, the ESC key, or the numerical number 1, right? The key beside that is known as the tilde key. So just press that and your panel will maximize. And I'm gonna quickly mark an endpoint over here. I'm just gonna go quickly ahead in time guys, right, somewhere over here. Okay, fine, right when he is about to, and when he taps, and you can see that the audio and the video is not synchronized, but that's fine guys, that's not the point in today's video. I'm going to quickly mark an out point. I'm going to hit the tilde key once again to make this panel go back to where it was. And guys, I'm going to go to the clip, the clip option. I'm going to go over here, make subclip. Now what it's going to do is guys, it's going to make this this 13-second clip, okay, another clip, okay, as in another one whole thing, or this one whole video in a project panel. So guys, if I need to use this clip again and again, okay, or I need to only render that part out to get the whole video inside the timeline, to use a Raza tool or to use a ripple edit tool for shortening the clip can be quite time consuming. So I really like to use this kind of a technique or this kind of feature a lot in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so once again, go to clip and make a subclip. Now you have the option to name the clip, so I'm gonna say showing Gogo Plagata. Now if you don't know what Gogo Plagata is, it is supposed to be a submission maneuver in fighting. Okay, so that's it. And you can click OK, and you'll see guys that another subclip has been made. If I take this guys and if I drop it into my timeline, you'll see that only 13 seconds have been, of this clip have been imported into the timeline. So I think guys, this kind of technique is really used when you are handed, big clips guys, like for say, if you are trying to edit a concert, okay, it may go really long, and this kind of thing, you can split it down by song, like say the first song you can make a subclip, your second song you can make a subclip, and you can have lots of subclips in this project panel. And once again guys, if you are having a tough time to maintain organize it, the project panel, you can always use the folder or create a new bin option in Premiere Pro, and you can put all your different subclips into the bin and stay organized. Okay, so that was it guys for today's tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys liked this technique. Okay, please subscribe to me guys, okay, for more videos, more tutorials, and please like this video if you think it was good. Thank you for joining me on this video. Thank you.